It's showing an hour 15 right now. As you can see, like the first part, this is probably what, 30 minutes maybe down there? I bet you that's not bad at all. From Reno down to Carson City, because you're on the east side of the mountains, the storm's not going to really hit it that bad. It's when I got to go up into the mountains and get down to my destination here. That part of the trip's going to change. Should be interesting. And if you look, there's even there's a warning here too. Winter storm warning, avoid travel. Same thing, 1 to 2 feet in the basin, 3 to 5 at 7,000 feet. Gusting up to 100 miles an hour winds. Multiple storms coming through. The good news is it should be killer skiing. I just got to make it to the house. If I make it to the house, been an interesting day of travel, and it's not even close to being over. Now I'm getting to the good stuff. Kansas City to Denver, no problem. Denver to Reno, they had to take on extra fuel in case we had to divert around the snowstorm, and because of that, they had to take volunteers to take people off of the plane. So they ended up taking 10 volunteers. Shortly after I landed, I got this. Talking to Dusty, there is it's whiteout conditions up there. Little 4-door sedan I'm in is all-wheel drive. I don't love, it's ground clearance, but as long as I can just keep going, that'll be the most important part. Made it to the house, but I'm here, so sweet. Skiing up next. Conditions are nuts. Another 8 inches fell, I guess, and they're expecting another, I think, about 8 inches today still. Dropping. Woo! nuking out here. We got first, we literally got first tracks on, what's the name of this?
Was that Mott's or?
Mott's, yeah. We got first tracks at Mott's Gate. They just opened it up, literally the ski patrol opened it up. There was maybe, what, 20 of us, 30 of us there?
Yeah, probably like 30.
And yeah, probably like 30 people at most, and we got first tracks. This is as good as it gets right here. Giant storm rolls through, and now we're getting first tracks. This is great. It's a hell of a view. We made it. Fist bump. Yeah. Awesome. Fire break at Heavenly. Make one of the last chairs, or gondolas rather.
Yeah.
And now we gotta ski back to California. Fuck yeah.
It's a good problem to have.
All right, let's rip some groomers.